Hi, this is Wayne Bilal with another Smart Profit Maximizing Moment. Today we're going to talk about why you must know the lifetime value of a customer, and truthfully why I think it's the most important number in your marketing plan, truthfully in your business profitability plan. Again, my name is Wayne Bilal. Let me introduce myself a little better. I'm the founder of a local CPA firm specializing in small businesses. Been on my own since 1991. Been doing this since way back in the mid-70s when I was in college. As a CPA firm, we specialize in three things: tax planning, we've saved our clients over $4.3 million, tax return preparation, doing it correctly and making sure that we don't attract attention more than absolutely necessary, and third, helping our business owners with their profits, making sure that they grow the profitable company as fast as possible, truthfully. I'm the creator of the Smart Profit Maximizing System. Discussed it Monday. I'll discuss it again sometime in the next couple days. The Smart Profit Maximizing System is designed to basically, jumpstart your business, to really help you get a profit plan and help you make yourself much more profitable. So, why must you know the lifetime value of a customer? It is really, truthfully, one of the most important numbers every business owner should know and update and understand. You really calculate it pretty easily, all right? You calculate it by taking the average price of what your customer normally pays for a particular product. Now, that's important. You can have different lifetime customers. If I have a business owner that comes in, they're worth something else, one thing. If I have an individual that comes in, they're worth something else, because they go down different paths, and you'll see what I mean in a minute, which is an important part of the lifetime value. All right, so you take the average price your customer pays for your main product or services, or one of your main products or services, multiply it by the average number of years that they stay with you, that they remain a customer, then add the value of the average number of referrals they will send you during that time as a customer, plus any upsells that you can make. So calculating, let's take a simple $250 tax return for me. Not anything dramatic, okay? Average, actually now below average. I'm keeping the numbers simple. So let's just say a simple $250 tax return. Really not worth, it's a customer and you should take care of your customers. Well, $250, how much are you going to spend to get that customer? Well, let's take this customer and let's say that they stay on average 7 years. That makes them really not a $250 customer, but a $1,750 customer. Well, let's say on average, each person refers 2 people to you in the 7-year period. Also worth $1,750 each. So that's $3,500. That simple little step changes the way you think about a customer, because they're no longer a $250 customer. They're worth to you $5,250. All right? Now, that's fine. It already changes the way you look at a customer. It's like, I need to treat every customer well, because it's not a $250 customer, it's $5,000 plus customer. All right, so I need to take care of this customer because they're repeat business. That's the key. All right, but what if I added upselling and cross-selling to it? What is upselling? Upselling is adding like products, in other words, things that increase the value of what they're getting. And cross-selling is basically saying, here's something else I offer that might apply to you. All right, so let's take a look at that same one and what happens to my lifetime value of that taxpayer if I upsell. Same tax preparation fee. We're just, these are not my fees. We're just keeping them simple. I don't think they're anybody's fees anymore. 250 times 7 years, upselling year-end tax planning. Let's just say we get them to do year-end tax planning at $750 a year for 7 years. All right, that's $5,250. Let's say we do a one-time QuickBooks or some sort of training like that. Let's say $1,000, $1,250, and annual QuickBooks support, or we're reviewing their QuickBooks and giving them ideas of what we're running into. Let's say $600 a year times 7, that's $4,200. I now have that customer going from $1,750 to $12,450. Notice that's a huge difference. That's almost 10 times. It really, depending on the numbers and what you're selling and what you're upselling, it'd be easy. All right. Now understand, the reason we're doing this is because, remember, the easiest customer to sell is your current customer. They already know you, like you, and trust you. Simple as that. They already know you, like you, and trust you. 3 most important things in sales. All right. So it's easy to say, hey, I've done a good job for you. Let me show you how to do this, how to do that, how to do this, how to do tax planning so that you don't pay as much, how to get your records straight, or whatever you're selling. Okay. If they refer 2 friends, that you upsell the same way. Now that's another $24,900. I basically have a lifetime value of $37,350. If I can put a referral program in place and get them to sell 4 friends instead of 2, or even 1 a year, this becomes astronomical. All right. Upselling and cross-selling increases the lifetime value from $5,250 to $37,000 in my example. Now I've used this everywhere. I've used this with to get the point across in a restaurant, where we created upsells and cross-sells, like birthday specials, like referral, bring a friends, like reward programs to get them to come back more often, and taking a $25 meal and showed them how it was worth really $5,000, so that they could get across to themselves and to their employees that this is not a $25 sale you're looking at. This is a $5,000 sale you're looking at. All right. I've done it inside medical sales where, this isn't a $100 item they're buying. It's really a $10,000 item they're buying, or even more in that industry, because if you can get them to come to you, people aren't getting younger, they get older. And as they get older, they need more, medical supplies, adult diapers, bedding, everything. And if you can get them as a customer and treat them right, the lifetime value of that with upsells and cross sells is huge. Okay. Knowing how much time and money how much time and money are you willing to spend to get a new customer? If you have a plan for taking that first sale and keeping them longer, these numbers get astronomical if I can increase from 7 years to 10 years. All right. If I can upsell more stuff, like adding the coaching programs, like having the tax planning, all right, like improving the referral programs, all of a sudden now we've taken that $250 return and made them a $10,000 customer. Huge, huge difference. Okay. Knowing how much this allows you to decide how much you're going to spend on your sales and marketing budget. How much time do you put with each person, with each client, with each patient, so on and so on. I sit down and spend time with each new person coming in because I know they're not a $250 tax return or a $500 tax return or a $1,000 tax return. If they're a $1,000 tax return, multiply it times a factor of 4. Now they're worth $20,000, probably $15,000 to $20,000 or more. All right. So I'm willing to spend some time up front and make sure I understand their problem and make sure I offer a solution to their problem. And then I'm willing to spend some time to design a system of follow-up, to design follow-up products to cross-sell and upsell. All right. If you know the lifetime value of your customer, what will it change for you? If you don't know how to calculate it, call me. We'll set up a quick meeting. I have a format that I use that I can share with you and get you to start building your upsells and cross-sells. Look, I've done it for every single client I've ever worked with on this, and I don't see why you would be a difference. If you're in business yourself, upselling, cross-selling, and knowing the lifetime value of your customer and increasing that number is the secret to success. Until next time, this is Wayne Blau saying, let's make this our most profitable year ever. Thank you very much.